Hello and welcome to this video. I've just been to my local LEGO store and bought a whopping 6 kilograms of bricks. If you were to buy this weight of bricks at the LEGO factory in Legoland, Germany, it would cost around 600 euros. I managed to stack all these bricks into just 9 large pick-a-brick boxes. It took me 2.5 hours of stacking bricks, but the result is impressive. Curious about how much money I saved? Keep watching. Besides spending 2.5 hours stacking LEGO bricks, I had a stroke of luck. The LEGO store manager agreed to sell me the remaining blue transparent bricks at a very attractive price. For just an extra 20 euros, I got approximately 1,800 more bricks. This means I can build another skyscraper of this size. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss this amazing next build. As you know, I'm working on building a skyscraper city, which requires a lot of bricks. Currently, I'm constructing a skyscraper that's almost 1.5 meters tall, made up of blue transparent, white, and light gray bricks. For this, I need about 2,000 1x2 stud bricks in blue transparent. If I were to buy these from Lego.com at 0.12 euros each, just these bricks alone would cost me 240 euros. The 9 large pick-a-brick boxes cost me 180 euros altogether. And guess what? I only filled 2 boxes with the transparent blue bricks. The rest of the boxes were filled with gray, white, black, and tiles that are always good to have when building skyscrapers. Additionally, I managed to fill also 1 box with light green transparent 1x2 stud bricks, which I'll use alongside the black bricks for one of my next skyscrapers. And now, the amount of money I saved with this deal. If you were to buy this amount of LEGO at the LEGO factory, it will cost you about 420 euros more compared to the 180 euros I spent at the LEGO store. If I calculate how much this batch of LEGO would cost on Lego.com, and I've saved around 650 euros. So it's definitely worth buying large quantities of LEGO at the pick-a-brick wall in the LEGO store. Now, I can continue building the skyscraper city, so subscribe to my channel and see which buildings I've designed with these bricks. What's your experience with buying LEGO? Let me know in the comments. Let's take a moment to enjoy these amazing visuals. This is pure enjoyment for any LEGO enthusiast, right? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.